What's up, guys? So, in my last video, I didn't get to upload it because I noticed I didn't record it. And I was grinding with Pearl.
I got the recipe for destruction.
Got her all the way to halfway. And it wasn't recording. And I don't feel like playing again, but I have to. So, if you can, please support me, guys. I just did all of that. Now I'm sad.
Everyone drowns when I'm around.
So, yeah, I'll grind again for you guys. So just keep on making sure it's recording. So you guys, so I'm just making sure.
Feeling out delicious, damn it. Cremation station. That's how the cookie crumbles.
But not today. We're gonna do multiple days.
I got the recipe for destruction.
Day 5, or more, or less.
So many kids, so few cookies.
Gloom and doom.
Praise, dazed and dazed.
I'm not gonna be uploading all this.
So many kids, so few
20,
cookies.
I think.
Go!
Only because I have to go to Florida.
Cooking up some cartilage and serving it piping hot.
Gloom and doom.
The community about it, so you guys can see.
I'm more than another time.
So.
Dazed. Ready to roast the competition!
Crazy. Subscribe to my friend that.
Cremation. I'm more than another time.
A ton. That boy.
Hey, diabetes! I went in I'm more than another time.
Yeah.
You
Comment how many balls. Oh, no. Probably a lot of you.
Mommy's doing like you inhaled the victory!
Victory!
Go back to me. Wow. As you can see, I'm at 136.07. What? I can't talk. So, yeah. And then I have that pretty much. And then I'm trying to get that. And after that would be my title. So, yeah. We're gonna play as
Feeling out delicious, damn it. Dish and dash. I'm boiling over. To get baked.
I smell a rat.
I got the recipe destruction. Get
Go!
I said that.
a mom on a mission.
Oh, no.
So needy. Bruised, praised,
my God.
dazed, and
You looking at me?
I'm not gonna lie. Team
cooking up some carnage. Serving it. Filled with pain.
I was trying to do it.
Bruised, braised, dazed, and
Bro, come on.
eating up a serving of misfortune. One look at that. Boiling over.
Go!
You Edgar right there. You guys are foul for him.
Burn this up. Finger licking fury. Vision dash.
Defeat!
Nothing we can do about that.
Cooking up some carnage and serving it piping hot.
Just get into another one. Can't do anything about it, so. Also, guys, I didn't like that crow. That crow wasn't that good to me, but. I'll be nice to myself.
I'm more than an oven. Relation station. I still lose you. Let's turn up the heat and serve some justice.
That must have hurt.
Dealing out delicious.
Or just. Yeah, I didn't see that. No. Yeah.
I went in half
Oh, never
baked.
mind.
A mom on a mission. Filled with pain.
Camping in that bush.
Cooking up some carnage and serving it piping hot. I'm boiling over.
I'm a cool cat.
I'm gone.
Served straight from the oven.
Okay.
Burn this up. Finger licking fury.
Guys, I'm gonna do 2 more games or 3. But guys, just just reminding you, these videos, the days might go all the way to
So many kids!
If only I could feel.
5 games of videos.
Time to cook up a new plan.
I'm actually gonna do. I'll do.
Burn this up!
I'll do more matches. I just don't feel like playing it. I really.
Finger blast!
Ball.
Power cooking!
Carl.
Ready to roast the competition!
If only I could feel pain. Goal!
Nice school.
A mom on a mission! Delicious destruction!
Victory!
Okay, guys, one more.
Home Center, World Shaker!
Let's try that. One more game, guys, and then I'm gonna just get off. Yep.
Feeling out delicious damage!
Very common. Especially mystery. A lot. Teammate should be there, right? Yeah.
Ding half baked!
Go back, so we're good.
And more than a dish best served
Goal!
I didn't see the middle bit.
Ready to roast the competition! Glazed and glazed. Oil! Heating up a serving of misfortune
End
cookies.
it off with a win, guys. We don't talk about that game at all. Yeah.
So many kids! So few cookies. Dish of dash. Time to cook up a new plan.
Goal!
We gotta watch out.
Dealing out delicious damage. Grenade station. So many kids! So few cookies. Cookie crumble. shaker. Delicious destruction. Praise, days defaced.
Yeah, what just happened?
Eating of the serving
Exactly
of
what just
misfortune
happened.
cookies.
So I'm trying to figure it out. I don't know what happened over there.
Ladies! I'm going island in half baked.
Gotta go.
Oil, boil, bake, and destroy! Look at the music.
Yeah, GG's. And
Let's turn up the heat and serve some justice.